Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Cash App Quick Fix step by step clearly. To begin using Cash App, first, download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open Cash App and tap on Sign Up. Enter your mobile phone number or email address. You will receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter the code into the app to verify your account. Next, complete your profile by adding your name and linking a bank account or debit card. To link your bank account, tap Add Bank and follow the prompts to enter your banking information. Once linked, you can easily send and receive money. To send money, tap the dollar amount on the home screen. Enter the amount you wish to send and tap Pay. Next, enter the recipient's $hashtag, phone number, or email address. Optionally, add a note for the transaction and then tap Pay to finalize the process. To receive money, simply share your $hashtag with the sender. They can then enter your $hashtag in their app to send you money. To check your transaction history, tap the clock icon in the bottom right corner of the home screen. Here, you can view all incoming and outgoing transactions. If you need to request money, tap the Request button on the home screen. Enter the amount and the recipient's information, and then tap Request to send the request. For further assistance, explore the Cash App support section in the app settings. Follow these steps, and you'll be set up and ready to use Cash App with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.